implemented several tamper-evident features into this product to enable the end user to guarantee that no manipulation happened and no interaction between users or shipping companies happened during these processes on the bag. Here you see a closed shell after the filling procedure, and the option number 1 is simply to bend the lids to close the tabs and to ensure that everything is closed. For tamper evidence, the majority of our clients simply put a label, typically with some additional information, onto this RoSS shell. So every opening or manipulation or interaction with the shell would be tracked by a tamper evidence seal. The second option is to bend this extra lid here, close it, and place a cable tie to make sure that the manipulation is tracked and or not allowed. So by one of these two options or the combination of both, you can guarantee that nobody interacts with the single-use bag inside with the primary packaging, and nobody is able to manipulate the content of the product.